Congress candidate Vishwajit Rane routed his rival Santosh Haldankar of the Bharatiya Janata Party by a huge margin of 8,405 votes in the by-elections to the Walpoi Legislative Assembly seat held on 18th of this month. Vishwajit polled 11,642 votes as compared to his opponent's meager 3,237 votes. The Congress candidate's victory has pushed up the Congress's tally to 20 in the 40-member Goa Legislative Assembly.
While challenging the BJP that not a single candidate of the party will get elected from Bicholi and Sattari talukas in future, Mr. Rane has said that he has proved that the BJP has no existence in Sattari. After suffering a humiliating defeat, opposition BJP has said that money power made the difference. Earlier on Thursday, the counting of votes began at around 8 in the morning at Goa College of Home Science at Kampal, Panjim, and the results were out an hour later. A large security force was deployed at the venue. Mr. Rane, a cabinet minister in the Digambar Kamath-led government, scored a convincing victory over his opponent, Mr. Haldankar. A large number of Vishwajit's supporters were present at the counting venue, who lustily cheered after their leader was declared the winner. Vishwajit dedicated his victory to the people of Walpoi, stating that the people voted for him because the developmental works he carried out there.
And ही victory जी आसा दोन व्यक्ती आणि मुख्य व्यक्ती नंबर 1 जो आसा ती सत्तरीची जनता आसा. सत्तरीची जनतेन आज विश्वास माझेर प्रकट केला आणि हे हांव करूंक सत्तरीच्या लोकांक पावलो कित्याक मुख्यमंत्रीचो म्हाका तेको आसलो म्हणून कितेंय राजकारण घडो ह्यान फुडें बी म्हाजो तेको मुख्यमंत्रीक आसतलो.
The victorious Congress candidate has thrown a challenge to the BJP to get a single candidate elected from Bicholi and Sattari talukas.
विरोधी पक्षाचो नेतो मनोहर पर्रीकराक हांव आयज आवाहन करूंक सोदता. फुडल्या फावट बिचोली आणि सत्तरी तालुक्यामध्ये तेका एक सीट गावचो ना कित्याक बिचोलीच्या जनतेचो त्यांनी दिशाभूल केल्लो आसा. मुख्यमंत्री असताना फक्त इफी केले, श्रीमंत लोकांचे कामां केल्यो, गरीब लोकांचे केन्ना त्यांनी लक्ष दिवंक ना. आणि विरोधी पक्षान एकट्याक सांगूंक सोदता काणयो सांगपाक बंद कर. तूं IIT आसा, हांव बी MBA आसा, आमकां बी कॅपॅसिटी आसा, हांव तरुण आसा, तेजे तो मातसो जाणटो जावंक लागला आता. आनी मनोहर पर्रीकराक हांव सांगूंक सोदता की सत्तरीन आनी बिचोलीन हांव आसा, त्या जनतेक तुजी गरज ना. तुझो मतदारसंघ तू सांभाळ. We know he is very intelligent and I consider myself more intelligent than him.
The Health Minister also said that he would continue to support mining as it generated sizable revenue for the state.
There is no mining problem. This is a hype created by Mr. Manohar Parrikar and the BJP. When BJP was also in power, mining was continuing as a large revenue earner for the state of Goa. And I have also said when EC clearances take place, EC clearances, public hearing takes place and views of the people are taken into consideration. Just to fool the people. When Manohar Parrikar was the chief minister, mining was not going on.
After suffering the humiliating defeat, Mr. Haldankar said that money power had made the difference, stating that the voters got carried away by the money spent by his rival. It was money and not development that ensured his rival's victory, Mr. Haldankar said.
आज तेणी जे सांगलेले की आपण त्याचे डेपॉझिट जप्त करतलो बीजेपीचे म्हणून ते आज त्याच्याकडे जमले ना आणि तेणी सांगलेले कितें की आपण पणजेन बसोन निवडून येतलो म्हणून म्हणून तेका 15 दीस अक्षरशः भायले सकट वाळपय येवन बसचो पडलो आणि तेका लोकांक अशे पयशाच्यो न्हंय व्हांवच्यो पडल्यो. हितूनच आमी जिखले अशें आमी समजता.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath ridiculed BJP's claim that Congress wooed voters with money. Stating that the mandate was clearly in favour of development, Mr. Kamath advised the opposition to accept the people's verdict.
वाळपयची फायट ही विश्वजितान वाळपयचो केल्लो डेव्हलपमेंट हाजेर बेस्ड आशिल्ली. गेल्ल्या अवघ्या 3 वर्सां भितर विश्वजितान थंय जो डेव्हलपमेंटाचो एक धडाको लायिल्लो. म्हाका दिसता आज गोंयांत प्रजेक डेव्हलपमेंट उदरगत केल्ली जाय असो क्लियर सिग्नल वाळपयच्या प्रजेक संपूर्ण गोंयाक दिल्लो आसा. विरोधी पक्षान सुद्दां हो पराभव प्रजेचे मत लोकशाही पद्दतीन व्यक्त केल्लें मत अशें धरून स्विकारचें अशें हांव विरोधी पक्षाच्या उमेदवाराक आव्हान करतां.
Meanwhile, addressing a press conference at the State House, the President of the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee, Subhash Rodkar, said that Vishwajit's victory had added strength to the state government.
Congress party is always very strong, but today it has become much stronger than what it was yesterday. विश्वजीत राणे काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या तिकेटीचेर जवळजवळ 8,000 मतांचे मेजॉरिटी घेवन ज्यान जिखिल्लो आसा तेन्ना तातूंतल्यान एक 2-3 गोष्टी सहज सांगसर दिसून येतात. ती पयली गजाल म्हटल्यार पीपल आर फॉर डेव्हलपमेंट करपाची किंवा प्रगती करपाची विश्वजीत राणेंची शैली आनी त्यामुळे वाळपयच्या लोकांनी मताधिक्यान तांकां आज निवडून दिल्ले आसा. विश्वजीत राणे सारखेच मुखाल्या इलेक्शनाक अशे 20 कॅन्डिडेट आसतले, आमगे 20-22 कॅन्डिडेट आसतले जे जाग्यार अशे प्रकारची मेजॉरिटी घेवन ते कॅन्डिडेट्स विकून येतले.